Okay, this is in Safari, just off screen, you can't see it. But I can't make that October More and the hamburger menu cross over each other, like you pointed out in that one video. So right there, even right there, that looks good. And you bring it out, and there's that 10:23:24 breakpoint. Bring it up. Font size gets a little bigger. That just seems right to me. Yeah,